Let's imagine it. Cities, villages, deserts, every hand holding a phone, a torch, a candle, a laser. For one instant, Earth becomes a single glittering sphere. From orbit, it might look like lightning frozen in time, streaks of light racing across continents. But here's the truth, even together, our lights are tiny compared to the power of the sun. The night would shimmer, but not blaze like day. Each flashlight might shine about 1,000 lumens. Multiply that by 8 billion people. That's 8 trillion lumens. Sounds huge, right? But the sun outputs roughly 400 quintillion lumens hitting Earth every second. Our global light show would equal less than a single flicker of daylight. Yet from the moon, astronauts would notice a faint pulse, a soft blue-white glow rippling across the dark side of Earth, like our planet briefly taking a breath of light. Now imagine the meaning behind it. Every person, different languages, beliefs, and dreams united for one shining moment. 8 billion hearts sending a signal upward saying, "We're here together." That light wouldn't just pierce the sky. It would reflect who we are, a species capable of both destruction and beauty, choosing illumination. In physics, our light might barely matter. But in spirit, it would be brighter than anything in the universe. Because meaning isn't in the photons, it's in the people who create them. This is Think Now, where imagination meets possibility. Subscribe and keep your light shining.